Hi, this is Khalil Bido with Jim Click Jeep. I want to introduce you to this beautiful one owner 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, the 4x4. This car got a 3.6 V6 engine paired with a 8-speed automatic transmission. What I like about this car, it is the Limited. What gives you the LED lighting around? That means it's a luxury package, guys. Luxury package gives you two things. One, heated ventilated seats. Boom. You got a panoramic roof. Boom. And you get also the power telescopic steering wheel. That's a little knob right there. One of the things I love about this car, it is a 4-wheel drive with a selector rain. If you look around over here, you look at the little knob, that is an N right in there, right in the middle. What that means for neutral. So you can put the transfer case right to neutral right in there. Being a Limited, what it gives you dual power seat. It means for the driver and your passenger along, you got the power driver seat in there. Now wait a minute, you got also the back. What do you have? You have your heated seats in the back. And these seats, check this out, goes right back here. It's got a 60-40 split. What that means, it gives you more room for your groceries. You gotta check this out, 4-wheel drive. Not to mention that you have the backup camera, blind spot. You got the backup camera and backup sensors, a blind spot mounted system with a cross path detection. What that means, this car actually, if you're backing up from a busy lot, this thing actually will stop for your beeps at you if you anything crosses. 60-40 split, lots of room. Yeah, this little guy here I call the noisy people proof, and it is Costco friendly, guys. You got also the sub. Now the best thing about this car here, it is a certified pre-owned. What that means for you, 7 years, 100,000 miles powertrain warranty. That gives you that peace of mind. It's a factory back warranty. Plenty of room, ready to go. It's a Jeep, goes in neutral, it's a Limited. Being driven 22,000 miles and 3 years old. What that means, less than 8K a year. You will not find that. This car comes with a maintenance for life. Call me up, 347-439-6516. The only one, Khalil at Automall. With Khalil, you get the deal. Thanks. Have a great day.